What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Sledge and an Armor Kraton 6S and my ramp. Today's video is about this ramp right here. Got this for my birthday, and you know I wanted to put it to the test. I seen this ramp before. I think Urban got this ramp also, but wifey got it for my birthday. She heard me complaining about the ramps, and y'all see me complain about the ramps, so she actually watched my videos. The first two cars I want to try is these. I was going to start out with the 223S cars, but I thought to myself, why not go big? It's not big enough for my 5th scales, but the 8th scales is good enough. I can make it a little wider though, to make it that it can take all them sizes. This thing is well made and sturdy. Took me a minute to put all this stuff together. Nice little run up. That should jump pretty good from what the kind of bashing I'll be doing. I can't put this in the link in the description below because it was a birthday gift, so I can find out where she got it from. But this will tell you, run across this kind of ramp that looks similar, you know this is a good ramp. I know it's a good ramp. There's no need for me to really test it, but I just, you know how that goes. So without any further ado, charge up some batteries. Be right back. Also want to give a big shout out to my wife for getting this for me for my birthday. You know, we got a whole thing planned today, so I want to get this thing out today and run it. I don't know if I'm gonna air this the same day as my birthday, but you see, big shout out to my wife. Thanks, super thanks. And super thanks to all the people that watch my videos. If it wasn't for you, it would be no me. We're gonna start off with the Sledge. Ready. I don't know if the Sledge is gonna be able to handle that though. Rocking that CNHL battery. Sledge, once you flip over. Oh! Having a hard time gripping. Maybe I'm going back too far. Don't you flip over. Perfect. 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 Yeah, that didn't last long at all, but I'm back in the shop, so I fixed the Sledge. It's just the pin came out. The pin I had in there was too short, just had to fix that real quick. The Kraton made off pretty good with some bad jumps. What I did, I had to adjust the ramp, because the good thing about this ramp, you can really modify it, and that's what I did. I modified the ramp, so I'm gonna let y'all check that out. Now, see, I modified it, so I took the old ramp that I had, put it over top of it, so I could have a run up. That little space right there, it doesn't matter. I tested it to see if the tires, it'll make a difference, but not like that. As long as I hit it dead center, you know, I don't have to concentrate on hitting it dead center, so it's wide enough now. It's wide enough for my big scales too over there. Adding little tweaks here and there. I was thinking about putting some rhino tape right there so it could run off of it, grab, because I heard it spinning. It's a little slick. I want to be able to hit it slow, you know, a slow ride up the ramp, not super slow, but want to be able to grab on the ramp so I can go at slow speeds, fast speeds. Either speed it's gonna catch. More of an angle, so see right there. So I'm gonna make some further touches on there, and then I'm gonna run this thing. Finish with it. I didn't add the tape. I want to see how I do without the tape first. I want y'all to check it out. Put little stickers on there. Just to show y'all what size cars can fit on there. That's the Traxxas Sledge that we broke. We're gonna put I'm gonna put the biggest rig I got up there so you can definitely be able to tell. And that's the DBXL. I got plenty of room now, so I should not mess that up at all. The angle is perfect. Not too high, not too low. So what I'm gonna do, see if I can load this in the car. I'm probably gonna have to get take it in my SUV. So stay tuned. Yeah, I finally got my ramp out again after I fixed it. Well, it wasn't broke, but I made it a little bit better than what it was. A lot wider now. Let y'all check that out real. Don't ask me why I got this bush over here. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's how I want it. Perfect. Oh yeah, let me step that. Reason why I'm not going hard because I do not want to miss and hit the pole. I mean these logs. Perfect. These gears are so loud. Perfect. It's smooth though, I give it that much. Oh, all the things to hit, I would hit that. And we got the Kraton. Perfect. I put it on 75% because I don't want to. I'm gonna try some different jumps. Just wish I'd have brought my hat. Only thing I forgot. Perfect. Yeah, this was a gift, man. Perfect. I knew that would be able to pull it off. I want to use both hands. Oh yeah. That ramp ain't budging either. This is the first test. Now I want to do some fifth scales after this. Come on, you can do better than that. Oh ho ho. Oh. Yeah, the motor wire came out. We all good now. How even? I'm running them CNHL batteries in both rigs, so when it comes to them batteries, it's all about the car. Will the car survive? The ramp is going to survive? This might be the last jump for the Sledge. Shot cat came out, battery keep coming off, and a lot of body rub right there. But let me I'm gonna pull out the Kraton and I'm gonna have to fix this. I'll be right back. And she's broken. Yeah, neither car survived. Kraton sustained more damage than I thought. Tie rods and pivot ball retainer. But the reason why that broke on that one, on Kraton, because it was the old one, because I remember I switched it out. Yeah, it was the old one. I switched that one out. I took the new one out because I cracked it, and then I put the older, whatever. It just was broke. It was the older one, and it was a carbon fiber plate in there that didn't survive. And also, what I just realized when after I fixed it, one of my shocks are bent in the back. The Sledge is really okay, just with the shock cat that I had. The first break was the hinge pin holder for the front, but it was too short, so it wasn't the car's fault. The shock wasn't the car's fault, but the Sledge just lacked the speed, but it's still fun. As for the ramp, man, this ramp is off the charts, man. As for the ramp held up perfectly. Next test is gonna be my fifth scales. I'm thinking about the DDXL, but I really don't want to launch that. I added little stickers to the ramp to bring it out some more, in case y'all didn't see that. Got it on both sides of the ramp. A major shout out to my wife, because she got this for my birthday. Also a shout out to Urban RC, OG, and all the cast on the live stream, Urban RC live streaming. Yeah, but I like my ramp. My ramp is pretty good. In the comments below, let me know what your thought is on this ramp. Could I do better? You think it needs some work? Or is it good? I really don't want too much. I don't want it to be extremely high. From what I'm seeing, it's high enough, so it'll work out the way I run cars. I want to hit it hard and fast sometimes. I can literally drop the legs lower so it don't be so higher. I can put some blocks underneath to make it taller. You know, I can make it taller, shorter. I got legs, shorter legs, so it'll be, you know, this is kind of the perfect ramp here. Yeah, and as always, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm out.